So a subscriber asked for how to make this eye in Gacha Club. Let's begin. Use those eyes. Use this color. Remove the eye highlight. Use this. Make it bigger and turn it around. Turn to the lightest color of pink. Use this. Then press the right eyebrow. Then make the right eyebrow into the pupil. Use this mouth. It's okay if you don't want to use it for the eyes because if you make OC you need mouth. Use the blush. Click on this. Make the color to dark purple. Use this. Make it into any light pink. Use the same item but make it a more lighter pink, and this time add it to the bottom. Add this. Add it to the eye. Use this. Make this the white thingy. I don't know how to explain, just follow. Use the same item, but this time make it into the eyebrow. And we're done. But now I'll make a character with those eyes. Also, I removed the mouth from the eye because I needed her mouth. I'm really proud of her character because I used more adjustments on her than other characters, even my main OC. Since I'm really proud of it, it will be my new character designed to have lots of adjustments. Also, here is the adjustments I used for her. I actually used almost all the items. Anyway, that's all for this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.